Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Drive permissions with share settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Google Drive permissions with share settings, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Drive website. Log in with your Google account if prompted. Once logged in, locate the file or folder you want to check for sharing permissions. Right-click on the item to open the context menu. Select the option labeled Share. A sharing settings window will pop up. In this window, you will see the list of people who have access to the file or folder. Next to each person's name, you will see their permission level. Permissions can range from viewer to commenter or editor. If the item is shared with anyone who has the link, this will be noted in the sharing settings. To see the link sharing settings, look for the section that says Get Link. Here, you can check if link sharing is on or off. If it is on, it will display a setting indicating public access. You can also change the link sharing setting from this menu. To modify permissions, click on the drop-down next to a person's name. Choose from the available permission levels based on your needs. Once you have made the necessary changes, ensure to click Done to save your settings. Congratulations, you have successfully verified and modified Google Drive permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.